In this video, we're going to place the shoes on this Hayward pool cleaner. The shoes do wear out, and you may notice that your pool cleaner is going around in circles or not being able to climb up the walls. This may be one of the problems. So pull it out, check it, see if there's any wear. You can see there's a new guy and an old guy. There's quite a bit of wear on there, so we're going to swap them out. There's also a spring in here. Notice how that's flopping around? And it returns to that position. It needs to do that. If that spring is missing or it doesn't flop, you got a problem. To replace the shoes, I'm going to use a prybar, but if you have a flat blade screwdriver, that'll work as well. This plastic prybar is nice because it won't damage, or less chance of damaging anything. We're going to wiggle in there, and we're going to twist and pull him out. The shoes are directional, so you want to pay attention to which way they're going back in, but it's actually hard to mess that up because there's a large nub and a small nub going into a small hole and a big hole, and that'll keep you happy. We need to lubricate the new guy, so I'm just using a glass of water. And then we're gonna smush him in. There we go. He is in. Let's do another one and I'll zoom in for you. Take our pry bar, get in between, twist, take him off. Get our new guy, get him wet, and then smush him in. And there we go, new shoes. If you have any questions on how to get this done, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. If you want to pick some of these up, I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy them. You can get an 8-pack or a 4-pack. They're not too expensive. Have a great day.